Yes, you have read the right thumbnail. Yes, you are awesome. 1 minute. Yes, you are awesome. You are great. You are extraordinary. You are brilliant. You are the best. But one thing, only one thing is preventing you from showing that you are awesome. That is you yourself. Oh, don't blame your distractions. Don't blame your situations. Don't blame anyone. At least you know the reality. You are the master and the ruler of yourself. You do only what you wanted to do, and until now you are coming doing what you wanted to do. It is always your choice what you made. Either you made the choice to watch the TV or to study. Either you made to eat a junk food or to exercise. These choices are your own. Yes, it can be affected or maybe created by your surroundings. But if you are not able to change your surroundings, can you not isolate yourself from it? Yes, you can isolate yourself from it, but you are not taking steps to isolate yourself from it. You are not really and eagerly wanted to isolate yourself from it so that you can become successful. You are not doing anything, believe me. But don't focus on the problems, focus on the solution. Today is the day. Today can be the day for you to become the best, to become a billionaire, to become the greatest person of the world. But now you know the reason, and so you can isolate yourself from your surroundings. Okay, so from today you are going to isolate yourself from your bad surroundings. Okay, yes. So the next problem can be you can be confused. You don't know the purpose of your life. But the reality is you have not given yourself the time to understand and realize what you are really made for. Have you ever given you the time to find that? Don't lie to yourself. You know the reality. You have not given the time to yourself. No, ever. You must give that time. Okay. So again, let's not focus on the problem. Focus on the solutions. Take a pen, take a page and a notebook and sit at an isolated place of your house immediately after watching this video and ask yourself these questions. Today, only today. The tomorrow you are going to give to yourself is not going to come anytime. If you tomorrow you either sit also, then the motivation will not be at this level. You have to go today after watching this video and ask these questions. Why did you come in this world? What's the reason behind your living? How are you different from a mammal or other animals like an elephant, a dog? How are you different? Where are you now? The fourth question, where are you now? And the last question, where you want to see yourself tomorrow. Where you want to see yourself tomorrow. This is the most important question which is going to decide your life. When you find the answers of these questions, paste it on a wall where you can see it every day after waking up. Read this what you have written 3 to 4 times every day and you will see the change yourself. You have to do this. You have, because if you want to show that you are awesome and show your real potential, you have to take steps and do this. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and thank you.